How would you assign a foreign key to a table by defining the constraint explicitly while creating the table? That's what we want to learn here. Let's see. This time, we are still using the same method. I just call it K, just to distinguish these tables from every other table. Just name difference. Normally, we first of all run this. Okay. Then we will run this. But if you can see here now, there's no constraint defined. We are asking the system to help us choose a constraint, which sometimes is not okay. So if I want to define a constraint name by myself without allowing the system to do it for me, I will simply come to this place. Before the foreign key, I will say constraint. Then I give the name of the constraint. I say like foreign key underscore customer ID. You understand? So this is the name of the constraint now. That's what we are defining. If you don't do this thing, the system will auto-generate a constraint for this foreign key. This is the only difference. And if we run this now, we have what? Our solution. So let's run this. Gone. Now let's describe this table to make sure that what we are saying is true. Orders key. Let's see orders key. You can see it is defined. If you now want to know the constraint now, just say show create table. Then you give the name of the table. Orders key. Then let's run it now. Let's copy this to see clearly. Where we copy, we found that the constraint assigned is our constraint, not the system auto-generated constraint. If you want to see how that one is, which I know you should know by now, let me just do another one. I will call this one orders P, orders V. Okay. Then I will remove this constraint. Let the system define this one for me, so that you can see the difference. I've done the same thing. Now let me say orders V. Let's see orders V. If we copy this, we find that though we did not assign this constraint by ourselves, this is what the system assigned, because the system must still put a constraint, but it will generate it automatically. For our own, we did. It was the name we assigned, a foreign key, customer ID. That is what give it to it. Hope you understand this. Thank you for viewing.